I just want to say disclaimer. It's a lot of videos in this clip, and I mean in this little mini vlog or put together clips. Like, it's just a lot of random clips. Y'all gonna see a night routine. Y'all gonna see me on the floor talk about a storm. It's gonna be a lot, okay? But you know, hold your wigs while y'all looking at it, okay? Just gonna get into the video.
You know you really something good. When we get here so damn fast. Only you can tell me that. Maybe because you know I'm coming back. You're making me forget my past.
Disclaimer, y'all. Another disclaimer. Okay, so throughout the video, y'all gonna see how clear my face get, because y'all definitely gonna see this first clip where I was at work. Face was terrible, okay? But y'all gonna see. So y'all, I'm at work. Most of y'all should know this. I mean, if you a real one, you should know that I work at SixFlags. But I'm walking to my ride right now, honestly. But first I gotta go to the bathroom and fix my hair right quick. Well, not my hair, but put this hat on. And I brought my jacket for some weird reason, because I did get hot walking a little bit. Now that I think about it, ain't nobody in the park. I just walked past and I'm like, oh, where everybody is? It's stinking. So, somehow put the hat on to make it look cute. Ew, I don't like how it looks so tight. Look at my pants on. See? I'll put it on. It's gonna be on just like this. I'll probably be able to talk to y'all a little more later. I might actually talk to y'all in my ride. It depends. I don't know, because I can't really know if I'm like that working. So, yeah, it depends. Y'all, some down here. Y'all, I feel like this bucket hat is not giving what it's supposed to give. But then again, I feel like it is. I don't know. There's just too much going on.
Every time I go on that station.
Say hi to my vlog.
Bro.
I'm vlogging. I can't vlog. Cause I say hi. That's rude. So we at our place mall, Kyla, and we getting some outfit for tonight because we're going to a party. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with us for the party. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We went on our ride, but I'm gonna let y'all see the fit when I put the fit on. It's some white shorts. Y'all don't pay attention to these pimples, but it's some white shorts and a black shirt, and I'm gonna wear my Uggs to match.
A few minutes later.
So y'all, the sun just popped up out of nowhere. We waiting, but still, Kyla. But yeah, y'all.
That little body.
We just waiting. But I look good. The sun is hidden. So guys, as y'all see, it's the morning. This is my morning routine. I'm making my bed right now. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That cover and that set in general, I just see so many people have. I'm thinking about buying me another one. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know. I've been contemplating about getting an all white set, but then again, it's like, why would I do that? But yeah, y'all, right now I'm just making my bed and getting up to get ready for work. right here, y'all. This is I'm finna do my face routine. Y'all just see me dancing. Please don't mind me. But I'm finna do my face care routine. I don't think y'all really is gonna get too much of the side of what I use on my face because my camera was trying to die in these clips. I think it was this clip because y'all also are going to see a night routine. I don't know if I'm going to add it on here or not. If y'all do, then y'all do. If y'all don't, then it'll be on a different separate video. Y'all just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and y'all be in tune to everything I post. But I'm going to go back to posting very, very recently and frequently because I feel like this is something that I really want to take serious. It's just the consistency where I get stuck and I pause on, but please ignore the toothpaste around my mouth because that is very nasty. But yeah. So in this next clip, you guys, typically I've been using this oil on my face, but also you are allowed to use Vaseline. I'm not gonna say you are allowed because y'all can use whatever y'all want on your face, whatever works for y'all. But I use Vaseline in this oil that I've been using, which I will see in a night routine. But yeah. And it just want to storm right now. I'm tired and I can't even go sleep because the lights want to keep flashing on and off. And I was supposed to take a shower, but I'm kind of scared. And I'm going to help my mom because she's scary. But I'm sitting on the floor because I'm charging my phone right now. So I didn't get charged when I was at work because it was hot and I looked crazy. It was just a lot going on. But this is what we're going through. Y'all seen that lighting? Y'all hear that? Oh yeah, and I might get copyrighted because I'm only playing music, but hold on.